I want to be clear that I'm not a professional mechanic, so if you do anything from my videos, it's at your own risk. If you're ever in your Hyundai Kona Electric or other Hyundai vehicle and you see no temperature showing up here on the gauge, you know, right now it's showing nothing Celsius. Or if it's way out of whack, for example, I'm in Toronto and it was showing 60 degrees Celsius. That's what, 140 degrees Fahrenheit or so in the middle of winter. Also making it so I couldn't heat the inside of my car because it thought it was boiling hot outside. So the heat in the car wasn't working because the computer was thinking all that. So what you're gonna do, come on out of the vehicle and down at the front here, under, right beside the, what is it, the radar sensor here? All right. Well, first of all, check if this is unplugged. If it was plugged in and showing wonky temperatures or whatever, you're gonna have to replace this. It's about a $25 to $30 Canadian, well, $20 to $30 Canadian part. And I got my replacement right over here. This is gonna go up like this. It's pretty tricky to get these out. Here's the part number. This is what I got from Amazon. And so, yeah, you see how there's a little bit of a clip there. It's hard for me to get the shot in the light, but you're gonna press on the little clip to right here to pull it out. I have a pair of scissors here. As you can see, how I have them positioned in here. I basically went like this, and I just kind of like twisted and pulled out until it popped out. And now I'm just gonna pop that into the hole where it was. And pardon the blurry sections of video and the light, it's hard to do this all one hand and get it in the narrow spaces here. But yeah, so the new one is pushed up in there. This section here, you could get your finger and to push down from the top as you're pushing the piece up from the bottom, right? Just so that this flimsy piece doesn't break. Get your finger in there and apply some downward pressure as that's being pushed up and in place. All right, so back in the car now, showing 1 degree Celsius, perfect, much better than 60 degrees Celsius. Let's turn this on all the way up to max. Oh yeah, that's warming up now. Perfect, so that's all it is, that's the issue. And hope it helps. Take care.